So check it out, guys. Today I'm finally getting started on a project that I wanted to do for a long time, and that is rebuilding the engine in my 66 Dodge Dart. This thing has been consuming oil like you wouldn't believe, and by that I mean a quart to a quart and a half every 200 miles. Had a lot of experience with that on my road trip to Nashville last year and the road trip to Boston this fall. So if you're ready, let's get started. So some of you might know this already, but this engine is a Slant 6. It's an inline 6-cylinder engine. I know these engines aren't like super big powerhouses, but I'm pretty sure that quite a few horses have left the stable in this particular one. So I'm hoping to come out of this rebuild with quite a bit more power than when I pulled it into the shop tonight.